What if I told you that two YouTube channels can both get 100,000 views, but one earns around $200, while the other earns more than $5,000 from the exact same number of views? Sounds unbelievable? It's happening every single day. The biggest mistake most new creators make isn't their editing, their camera, or even their upload schedule. They're simply creating videos in the wrong niche. In 2026, advertisers are spending billions of dollars to reach specific. Your videos attract people who are shopping for investing money, buying a home. That's why some small YouTube channels earn more than creators with millions of views. In this video, I'll reveal the top 7 fastest growing, highest RPM YouTube niches for July 2026. Before revealing the list, let's quickly understand RPM. RPM stands for revenue per milli, or the amount you earn for every 1,000 views after YouTube takes its share. Many beginners focus only on getting millions of views, but experienced creators know that high-quality views are more valuable than a high quantity of low-value views. For example, a gaming video might receive 500,000 views. Meanwhile, a personal finance video receives only 80,000 views. Surprisingly, the finance creator could earn more money. That's why choosing the right niche can save years of trial and error. Now let's start with number 7. Niche #7, business and entrepreneurship. If you've opened YouTube recently, you've probably noticed more videos about startups, small businesses, CEOs, and online companies than ever before. That's not a coincidence. Millions of Americans are looking for ways to earn extra income, start a side business, or leave traditional 9-to-5 jobs. This growing interest has created strong demand for educational business content. Who is your audience? Your ideal viewers include college students, young professionals, entrepreneurs, small business owners, freelancers, people searching for additional income. Can beginners enter this niche? Absolutely. You don't need expensive equipment. You can create videos using public company reports, AI voiceovers, your own narration. Many successful business channels focus on explaining companies and strategies rather than filming themselves. The key is presenting information clearly and accurately. Having multiple income streams can make the channel less dependent on ad revenue rather than revenue alone. The key is presenting information really and accurately. Competition is moderate to high. However, there's still room for creators who provide, instead of copying large creators, focus on answering specific questions that people are already searching for. Business is an excellent niche if you enjoy explaining companies, strategies, and entrepreneurship. But our next niche attracts an audience that's even closer to making purchasing decisions. Coming in at number 6 is one of the most profitable educational niches on YouTube: real estate and mortgages. Buying a home is one of the biggest financial decisions most Americans will ever make. Whether someone is purchasing their first house, refinancing a mortgage, comparing lenders, or investing in rental properties, searching online before making a decision. That's exactly why this niche is so valuable. Who watches these videos? First-time home buyers, families planning to move, real estate investors, people relocating for work, homeowners considering refinancing. This audience is actively researching major financial decisions, which makes it particularly valuable to advertisers. How to create videos. You don't need to film luxury homes every week. Many successful creators use public market data, maps, charts. Your focus should on delivering clear, accurate, and easy-to-understand information. You should avoid making promises about future home prices. Instead, explain concepts, compare options, and encourage viewers to do their own research before making financial decisions. Real estate is an incredibly strong niche, but the next category and faster. It combines artificial intelligence, automation, 3 trends that are reshaping how millions of Americans work every day. At number 5, we have one of the fastest growing niches of 2026, AI tools and productivity. Just a few years ago, AI was mostly used by developers and tech enthusiasts. Most AI companies operate on subscription-based business models. A customer who signs up today might continue paying every month, or even every year. Because of that, many software companies invest heavily in advertising and creator partnerships. The audience is also highly valuable: business owners, freelancers, marketing professionals, developers. You don't need expensive equipment. A laptop, screen recorder, microphone, and clear explanations are enough to get started. The most successful creators aren't always the first to discover a tool, they're often the best at explaining it. Consistency and clarity matter more than flashy editing. AI is transforming almost every industry. But the next niche goes one step further. Coming in at number 4 is a niche that has consistently attracted millions of viewers for years: make money online and side hustles. Let's face it, the cost of living continues to be a major concern for many Americans. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or creating financial freedom, More people are looking for additional income than ever before. That's exactly why this niche continues to grow. Every day, millions of people search YouTube with questions like, how can I make extra money? If your content answers those questions honestly and provides practical guidance, there's a large audience looking for it. Why this niche is so valuable? Companies in this space sell products and services such as banking apps, investing platforms, AI productivity tools, tax software, compete for customers who could generate long-term revenue, making this audience attractive to advertisers. Unfortunately, many creators damage their credibility by promising unrealistic results. You've probably seen titles like, make $10,000 in one day, get rich overnight. Many successful creators don't claim to know everything. Instead, they research industry reports, interview experts, compare platforms, and explain opportunities in a balanced way. Helping people earn more money will always attract attention, but the next niche deals with something nearly every American need in life. And because customers in this category can be worth thousands of dollars to businesses, and at number 3 is one of the most profitable YouTube niches year after year. Millions of Americans search for insurance information every single month because it's something they need, not something they simply want. Whether someone is buying their first car, purchasing a home, starting a business, or protecting their family's future, insurance becomes part of that decision. Many people turn to YouTube for answers. Why insurance has such high ARM? Insurance companies compete aggressively for new customers. Why? Because a single customer may stay with the same insurer for years. That means one new customer can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars over their lifetime. As a result, insurers and comparison forums often invest heavily in advertising to reach people. Is this niche beginner-friendly? Yes, but it requires careful research. Accuracy is essential. If you're discussing, focus on explaining concepts, comparing publicly available information. Competition exists, but many videos are outdated. Insurance rates, regulations, discounts, and available products change can help your videos remain relevant and competitive. Insurance is one of YouTube's strongest high-value niches, but the next category reaches an even broader audience. It combines investing, saving, credit cards, budgeting, taxes, and wealth building. And at number 2 is one of the biggest and profitable categories on personal finance. This niche isn't built around trends, it isn't dependent on viral moments, and it doesn't disappear after a few months. Because everyone wants to make smarter financial decisions. Whether it's saving money, investing for retirement, improving a credit score, paying off debt, constantly searching for trustworthy financial advice. That's what makes personal finance one of YouTube's most evergreen niches. Personal finance is a trust-based niche. If viewers feel you're exaggerating or making unrealistic, they'll quickly lose confidence. So if personal finance is only number 2, what could possibly be even better? The number 1 niche isn't just growing rapidly in 2026, it also attracts some of the highest value advertisers on YouTube. We've reached the number 1 niche. If you've watched until this point, here's the category that combines 2 of the biggest trends on YouTube today: AI plus finance, often called fintech. This niche combines both. Think about it. Millions of people want to know how artificial intelligence can help them save money, invest smarter, budget more effectively. At the same time, AI companies and financial technology companies are expanding rapidly and competing for new users. That combination creates an audience that is highly engaged and attractive to ad. If you're beginning your YouTube journey today, don't choose a niche just because someone says it has a high RPM. Choose a niche where you can consistently create high-quality videos. Passion gets you started, consistency keeps you going, and trust is what builds a long-term audience. The creators who succeed aren't always the ones with the most expensive equipment. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more YouTube growth online business strategies, and let me know in the comments, which niche are you planning to start in 2026?